All right, YouTube. Well, small little video for you here. Just take a quick peek at what all's going on. I actually really like this seat cover, dude. This is like raised. I like that. What's it say here? Nice. You're just doing some of those red side panels, are you? It's neat. Is this the only red on the whole decal set? Is this, or is there red in those too?
No, just that, just the F. Only the F in the decal. Like there's an F there. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, there's a little bit more on the.
Still,
plate, sorry.
It's just subtle enough that it's gonna look great.
And on this, just the. Yeah.
Ooh, this is gonna look sweet. And then you said you need a plate for in here? Something wrong? Or oh.
That's the original. I put the wood back.
I literally just pulled a plate off from over here the other day. If it wasn't over here, it was from in there, and it was like brand new. So maybe we'll get lucky and search, yeah. Take a little peek up in her. Oh, she's a little moldy. The wife got moldy, gentlemen. Gotta throw it out now. Divorce. Okay. Oh, there was a brake plate in there. Guess I was wrong. Might be in there too. I know I was just screwing around with one the other day. Oh, and then worse comes to worse, there's more in that corner cabinet. Well. Ooh, look at these nice red side fenders. Doesn't look good. So how long? Oh, I was gonna say, how long did it take you to clean those? And then I realized you ordered those brand new. You made sure these fit that, right? Let me just fix it now. I am still filming. So.
Yes. These are the proper size. Oops.
That's the wrong side. As he grabs the wrong side.
They are the proper size for the machine.
Okay. Sweet.
The ones I had on were CRF 50. These are CRF 70.
Okay. Alrighty. And then we'll have to find some boots for that. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. I have to puff a little puff on this bong here. And we'll holler at y'all later.